What's up, y'all? Jake and Mitch here from Prism Supply. Today we are extremely excited to show you a new product that we've been working on. It's been in the works for a decent while now. We've spent a lot of time designing this product. What it is a kit to convert your Sportster to foot clutch and hand shift.
Y'all been asking for it once a week, so here we go.
Yeah, Mitch is like, I'm sick of these people asking for it, let's just do it. No, but the team has put a lot of work into it. We're extremely excited about this product. Yeah, Mitch, talk through some of the design features of it.
So the first big thing you'll notice is the pedals kind of long and curved. We took that inspiration from the old iron head pedals that come from back here and go under. This one's a little short, but it's got a nice curve to it still. And you'll also notice that you can put a 4-speed hand shifter on it. So you can buy one of our shifters, or you have a cool vintage one, you can bolt it up to it as well.
Yeah, any 4-speed jockey shifter will bolt directly up to this. And then another thing to note about the pedal here is it pivots directly off the center of the derby cover instead of having any sort of linkage. And we just thought that was like a very neat, clean way to do it. Again, this is the very first prototype of it. We're still improving on this product. Aesthetically, we're still improving on it. But just wanted to show you guys this. We think that you'll dig it. Let us know what you think. How long before it's available?
A couple months, 2 months, hopefully. By summer, you could be shifting with your hand on the Sportster.
There you go. By summer, you'll be jockey shifting away.